Okay, this is how to replace your rear windscreen wiper. Step 1, grab a butter knife, and then in between over here, pop it out. Boom. Okay, so this is the old one. You can see here it's shot. Had better days. And then the new one I got is a A281H. Just get it out the box. Yeah, here it is here. So what you want to do is just pop this thing here off. See, it moves like that. So I only got one hand. I'll remove it. Okay, they removed. Literally just popped it from the top here and it came out. So what you're gonna see is you got these either way. Let's connect. Okay, so it shows Bosch on top, and then over here you can see this is gonna connect like that. You just push it in. Okay, so it literally just popped in. I had one hand, and you put it down, and it's good. Bosch and winner. That's pretty much how you replace a BMW X3 20D X3 rear windscreen wiper.